Come, let us spill this already spilled juice with another Skeem Saam news, guys. Skeem Saam is giving, right? We all know that Upriti resigned from the actual job where she was with Barkemang Ntatola. Yeah, you guys know him, the one that Leto worked for, right? And Preeti resigned from that law firm after her horrible ordeal because of trauma. That's why we think Uguti she resigned. But with that said, we read here because Jabulani McDonald posted, Preeti is going to work under Kobus' law firm. My question is, will this not affect the relationship between Preeti and Kwezikazi? Because already Barkemang Kobus has a partner, and we all know that partner is not Preeti, right? But Kwezikazi knowing that Preeti will know her business under Kobus' law firm, will that not affect things? I don't know. But when I like, share, and subscribe.